I told you, with you guys, it always goes back to sports. With us ladies, it's all about the biz of beauty.
What a transition. What a transition.
And of course, getting older is never easy. But ladies and gents, we do have some really good options out there, nationally and internationally known for his innovative work with skin lasers, cosmetic dermatology, and facial rejuvenation techniques. Dr. David Goldberg is here to fill us in on the latest cutting-edge technologies. Welcome to Happy Hour. And you're a popular guy in this bar here.
It's great.
I hope you brought business cards because everybody wants your services.
Certainly did.
We wanted to talk specifically. I was in contact with Cutera, which is one of the laser manufacturing companies, a small company listed on the NASDAQ, and they said that you're the expert to talk to here in New York City. When I was doing research on you, boy, you're like dermatologist to the stars. So what is it about these lasers, specifically the Titan and the Pearl laser, that's all the rage right now?
Rebecca, look at the numbers. Americans spent $2.5 billion last year on skincare items. 12 million people went to plastic surgeons for cosmetic procedures, and over 80% of those procedures were non-invasive, non-surgical procedures. Cutera is a company that makes technology which is new, innovative, with no downtime procedures to improve the quality of skin. Pearl is a laser. It's a brand new laser with a new color of light that helps quality of skin, sun damaged spots, and fine lines. They've got a newer version of it coming out which will help deep wrinkles. And Titan allows you to tighten the skin without surgery.
Yeah, the name, it's T-I-T-A-N, but of course you always think of tightening the skin. And I thought that the Titan was one that seems newer to me and more fascinating in that because you have all these fillers to fill the lines and, you know, the plastic surgery to pull the skin over. But this Titan laser, folks, it basically damages the bottom of your skin, so your skin rejuvenates and it tightens everything up with no needles.
Well, all those procedures are great, but a procedure like Titan, what it does is it actually creates healthy new collagen. That's tighter collagen. You look tighter and you've had no surgery.
And now insurance still does not pay for any of this stuff.
Insurance pays for no cosmetic procedure.
So they're just paying out. People are paying cash, hard-earned cash out of their own pockets for this.
This is like, you go to a gym because you want to feel better, and you have these laser procedures because you want to feel better about yourself.
Dr. Goldberg, are we we're not going to no longer need to go under the needle, go under the knife with this revolution in lasers?
Well, we can't sit and say that you'll never have to do anything. What we do know is younger and younger people are being treated with procedures like Pearl and Titan. We can treat all age groups. And a lot of men are doing these procedures now as well.
Hear that, Eric? A lot of men as well.
I have to ask him a question. Since it's elective surgery and you can't use insurance, does that mean we're going to have a lot of really hairy, wrinkled women walking around New York City? Is that a scary thought?
Not a
chance. Not if Dr. Goldberg has anything to say about it. But you touched on an important point that, the last Biz of Beauty that we did a couple of weeks ago on this show, Dr. Bernie Katz was saying that a lot of, one of your big competitors,
have to be some of those.
A lot of younger women are doing this because they think that if you do it before it gets out of control, that you don't have to have that drastic procedure.
Right. Well, Cutera, you mentioned that company. Cutera has a technology known as Genesis, which allows you to take younger people, men and women, and treat some of the damage of the skin in their 20s and 30s. And again, simple procedure. That one's painless.
Really?
Easy to do.
Now, I don't know if your office does this, but there's even a credit card company out there that's solely for cosmetic procedures, and they offer like all these great interest rates, maybe 0 interest for a year or so. So this is what's causing a lot of the interest in cosmetic procedures as well.
That company is called Credit Care.
Credit Care.
And people come to the office, and it's a credit card, as you said, just for cosmetic procedures.
And do you guys offer that in your office as well?
We certainly do.
So that allows basically anybody, to get it done, regardless of income level.
Well, unlike surgery where you're paying thousands and thousands of dollars, these laser procedures like Titan or Pearl, they're not as expensive as standard surgery, and there's no downtime, so you go back to work.
Yeah, I was looking at like the Titan, I priced it was anywhere from like $550 to like $750 per treatment, and I think you need about 3 to 6 treatments.
Right, and that's still money, but it's still not surgery.
Yeah, absolutely. Dr. David Goldberg, thank you very much. Good to see you.
Absolutely.
Eric?
Rebecca, speaking of things of beauty.
Even Eric loves this topic.
Speaking of things of beauty, that's a very nice ring you have on. Listen, our viewers wanted to know more about that ring.